Hi friends, here now we see the first unit topic. That unit name is hydraulic and pneumatic. In that topic there is a lobe pump. Okay, there is a lobe pump. There are the two diagram A and B, twin loop pump and 3 loop rotary pump. Okay, in that we can see the first there is a figures construction, there is sections, after that there is a discharge, there is a lobe gear. Okay, then in second diagram there is a suction and discharge. Okay, now we will see the construction and working. There are the several design of loop pumps. Okay, the pumps has 2 or 3 lobes. Okay, the construction of twin lobe and 3 lobe as shown in the figure. Okay, these lobes operate like gear. Okay, this two lobes operate like a gear. Once the rotor is driven by motor while the other is driven through a twinning gear. Okay, as the rotor rotates, the fluid is trapped between each loops and the wall of the pump housing and carry along from the suction side to discharge side. Okay, suctions to discharge side. Okay, this discharge from this pump is quietly pulsing since only few lobes are adopted. Okay, the line of contact between the meshing loops and between the loops and casing establish leak process seal separating high pressure discharge side from the loop or from the low suction pressure side. Okay, this pumps required extreme precision machining, finesse of loop profile. Okay, and the accurate control radial and axial clearance. These pumps are suitable for a low velocity or low viscosity and uncontaminated fluid only. Okay, they are used for low pressure high volume flow application. In these pumps the number of loops on the male rotor is one less than in the female rotor. Okay, then next is classification of piston pump. Okay, in that first is fixed constant displacement pumps, and that second is variable adjustable displacement pump. In that there is a inline crank shaft driven pump, then axial piston pump, and third one is radial piston pump. Okay, in axial piston pump there is inline axial piston pump, bent axis piston pump, swash plate axial piston pump, Weber plate axial piston pump, and in rotary piston pump there is a stationary cylinder block type and rotating cylinder block type. Okay, then next we can say that there is a radial piston pump. Okay, then we will see the radial piston working. Okay, there is a center line. Okay, see in diagram there is a outlet, piston, inlet point, reaction ring, cylinder block, case, cylinder block center line, pinlet. Okay, now we'll see the working of radial piston pump construction and working. Now the two basic type of radial pistons are first stationary cylinder block type and rotary cylinder block type. Okay, in stationary cylinder block type of radial piston pump, the cylinder block is stationary while the piston reciprocate by the actual from the rotating cam. The cylinder head of each cylinder connected to inlet and discharge check valve. Okay, in the rotating cylinder type of radial piston pump, the rotating cylinder block is driven from the pump shaft. Okay, the outlet ring may be fixed or rotating with the cylinder block. Okay, the cylinder block and the outer ring are eccentrical placed. The piston are actuated outwards due to the centrifugal action and the area pushed back to the eccentrical between the rotor ring and cylinder block. Then this is a construction. Then now we will see the working of radial piston pump. In the radial piston pump working, the pilot direct the fluid in or out of the cylinder. A cylinder barrel with piston revolves around the pinlet that is stationary. The piston heads pressure against a reaction ring housed in a rotor. The cylinder or the center of the reaction ring is offset with the center of the pilot or the shaft. Because of the rotation of the cylinder barrier, the piston on one side are displacement to the other side or outward sides. This sucks in the fluid as each cylinder pass in suction port of the pinlet. After the piston pass the point of maximum eccentricity, the pistons are forced inwards by a reaction ring. The force the fluid to the discharge port of the pinlet. Okay, this is how the working of radial piston pump is. Thank you for watching this video.